Now that you know how to create engaging short-form content, let's talk about leveraging trends and challenges. Trends are a huge part of platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and even YouTube Shorts. Jumping on trends can give your content a major visibility boost, but you need to do it right. The first thing to understand is that timing is everything when it comes to trends. If you join a trend too late, the moment has passed and your content won't have the same impact. So how do you spot trends early? Spend time on the For You page of TikTok or Instagram's Explore page. Look for recurring sounds, hashtags, or types of videos that are getting a lot of traction. Also pay attention to what influencers in your industry are doing. For example, when the Don't Rush challenge went viral at the beginning of the pandemic, we helped a beauty brand jump on the trend early by incorporating their products into the transformation scenes. We didn't just copy the trend. We gave it a unique twist by showing a beauty routine in the transition. That video not only boosted brand visibility, but also led to a spike in sales. Now, joining a trend is a great way to boost engagement, but you don't want to just copy what everyone else is doing. The key is to add your own unique twist. For instance, if a particular dance challenge is trending, think about how you can incorporate your product or service into the challenge in a creative way. This not only helps you participate in the trend, but also helps keep your brand at the forefront. Hashtags and trending sounds are essential for getting your content seen. On TikTok, for example, the right hashtags can significantly increase your video's reach. But here's a tip. Don't just use generic hashtags like viral or FYP. Use niche-specific hashtags as well that align with your content. This helps the algorithm push your video to the right audience. Now let's look at some key takeaways. Number one is jump on trends early to maximize your content's visibility. Number two, add a unique twist to make trends fit your brand and stand out. Number three, use niche-specific hashtags and trending sounds to increase discoverability. Now let's take a moment to reflect. Think about the trends or challenges you've seen recently. How can you adapt one of those trends to fit your brand's voice and style? Write down 2 or 3 trend-based ideas that you could use in your next content batch.